Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today, we're bringing you a real-flight performance demonstration of the Skydroid C13 gimbal. This test features the SIYI RC7 remote controller, CUAV NEO 3X GPS module, and the CUAV Nora Plus flight control system. The SIYI UniRC7, developed by the SIYI, is their latest generation of handheld ground stations. It's widely compatible with drones, unmanned vehicles, unmanned boats, and various intelligent robotic systems. It offers convenient operation and highly responsive control. The CUAV NEO 3X integrates an M9N receiver and supports concurrent reception from 4 GNSS systems. It provides high positioning accuracy and performs reliably even in complex environments such as forests and urban areas. Its IP66 protection rating adds significant assurance for outdoor flights. The CUAV Nora Plus is a high-performance flight controller independently designed by CUAV. It delivers exceptional stability and precise flight attitude control, maintaining smooth operation even in harsh conditions like strong winds. The Skydroid C13 tri-sensor gimbal is the highlight of this test. It features a next-generation image processing chip and a high-definition, distortion-free camera with a 5 MP effective pixel count. It supports 2K video recording and photography, producing detailed and realistic visuals. The gimbal also includes 30x digital zoom, making it easy to lock onto distant targets. What's more impressive is the integrated 640,512 resolution thermal imaging camera. During flight tests, it demonstrated excellent heat source detection both during the day and at dusk. The newly added laser rangefinder module can measure distances up to 1,000 meters, making it highly useful for long-range target localization. The entire gimbal uses an industrial-grade 3-axis stabilization structure. During actual flight, there was virtually no noticeable image shake. Whether hovering at low altitudes or panning quickly, the system maintained stable and clear video output. In this test, the Skydroid C13 gimbal demonstrated exceptional stability and image quality. Its multifunctional integrated design, especially the synergy between thermal imaging and laser rangefinding, offers great advantages for scenarios such as inspection, security, and search and rescue. When paired with the SIYI RC7 and CUAV's high-performance flight control system, the full setup responds quickly, handles smoothly, and delivers a seamless flying experience. It's a very promising mid to high-end multifunctional gimbal solution worth keeping an eye on. Thank you for watching and supporting us. If you have any questions about the video content, or if you'd like us to cover specific aspects in more detail in future content, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and practical guides. See you in the next video.